Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French toast. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of thick bread, such as brioche or challah, for the best texture. Next, prepare your custard base with 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of milk. To enhance the flavor, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. These simple items form the foundation of delicious homemade French toast, ready for your breakfast table. Now, let's create the perfect custard for your French toast. In a shallow dish, whisk 2 large eggs thoroughly until the yolks and whites are completely combined. This ensures an even coating. Then, pour in 1/2 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of sugar, mixing until the sugar dissolves. Finally, stir in 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This aromatic blend will infuse your bread with incredible taste and a beautiful golden hue. With your custard ready, it's time to prepare the bread. Dip each slice of thick bread into the custard mixture, allowing it to soak for about 15 to 20 seconds per side. This ensures the bread absorbs enough liquid without becoming soggy. Next, heat a griddle or large nonstick pan over medium heat, adding 1 tablespoon of butter. Cook each French toast slice for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it's beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious homemade French toast is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, or sliced bananas. For an extra touch, dust with powdered sugar or add a dollop of whipped cream. Remember to check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy breakfast making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.